Alright, this is a video on how to do the floating French braid, only you don't need to know how to French braid to do this one. So it's a lot easier. And I've just started by making a part on the side, and then take a rectangular section next to the part, probably about 1 inch wide, and just tie it off with an elastic for now to keep it out of the way. And this is just water I'm spraying here to kind of keep the flyaways down. But take a piece on the side and just do a regular 3-strand braid. And try not to make it too tight, just keep it fairly loose. Braid it as far as you want to go, and then take a little piece from the back and add an elastic to keep it in place. And then you're going to take this out and take a small section from the front, and then this is a Topsy tail Junior. It's smaller than the regular Topsy tail, but just slip the hair through the hole in the top and then bring the Topsy tail through the braid. And I'm trying to get both of the plates, one on the top and one on the bottom. And then just pull it through. And you can kind of squeeze the Topsy tail so it'll go through easier. And then you can take your next piece . Just go all the way to the back. I'll probably do one more right here, but it'll end up looking just like the floating braid. And then if you wanted to add a little clip on the end to that elastic, that'll make it cuter as well.